Hi guys, welcome back to the Coal Factory. It's Raquel. Today I'm going to be talking about two products and they're from the Jamaican Mango&Lime Pure Naturals line. I have been looking for the entire range for months and I could only get my hands on these two products, so I thought I've had them for like 2 months. Let me just get on camera and I'll share my thoughts on these two instead of doing a full tutorial waiting to find these products. But before we get into my thoughts on these two, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media. So the two products I'm going to talk about is just the shampoo and conditioner, because those are the only two that I could find. And this is the Rasta Locks Twist Jamaican Mango&Lime Pure Naturals with Smooth Moisture. This also contains a natural extract which is organic. This is the coconut milk and honey shampoo. This is what it looks like. I think you've seen it on the shelves at Clicks. On the packaging it says this fragrance shampoo is made with all natural ingredients and a blend of vitamins and natural oils to clean and strengthen hair. It's paraben, mineral oil and sulfate free. Now my thoughts on this shampoo here: it's nice and light, it smells very nice, it goes on the hair nicely, it lathers up very quickly. But this didn't give my hair a clean feeling. Usually I shampoo my hair twice, sometimes once, it depends, but I think I shampooed my hair 3 times and it still didn't feel clean. So I wasn't very happy with that aspect of this product. It did rinse out nicely very quickly, but my hair just still felt a bit itchy and it just wasn't feeling clean. A little does go a long way, and I did use quite a bit on my washes, but as I said, this isn't for me. It smells amazing, I love the texture, I love the consistency, I love the way it rinses out, but it just didn't make my hair feel clean. The other product I'm going to talk about is the Jamaican Mango&Lime Pure Naturals with Smooth Moisture. This is the coconut leave-in conditioner and detangler. On the packaging it says it's a cream-based dual action deep penetrating conditioner with natural ingredients. It conditions and repairs while adding shine. It contains no paraben, mineral oils and silicones. This spray did nothing for me. I had to open it up, pour it out and apply it onto my hair. It went on nice, thick and creamy, not as much slip as I would like from a conditioner, but it did help the detangling process. Did an okay job. It didn't wow me as a conditioner or a leave-in conditioner. I do have it in my hair at the moment, so it does play well with other gels. So overall it was just okay. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed my quick thoughts on these two products here, the shampoo and conditioner from the Jamaican Mango&Lime Pure Naturals line. You can find it at Clicks. Thanks for watching me. Drop your comments down below if you tried it or if you know where all the other products are, because I've been looking for them for a while. Thanks once again and I'll see you again. Take care.